Hello everyone, welcome back guys. For today's video, we're going to unbox the product items that we ordered at AliExpress last their promo. I get these items guys for more or less $5. I saved up to 70% of from its original price, and it's absolutely no shipping guys. It's free guys, so it's really big savings if you go shopping online. That's AliExpress. Okay, so let's start guys to unbox and let's find out more. So far, the items is 50 packed. It's because the product is covered with a bubble wrap. It's important for me guys if I order like this with it wrapped with its safety because my order is perfume, so it's very important to avoid from damage. So guys, let's unbox the items. This is Le Lobo Chantal Dirty perfume. The best thing in this product that its travel size scents perfect for on the go. It's beautifully packed, perfect for gift. They have pretty cute bag guys if you want to order this. It would include an item you ordered. This perfume guys is unisex, so it can be used from both men and women. Let's try to check inside this box. Take a look guys. This is it. This is a Chantal perfume. This perfume guys, it's combined the mix of carbonum and notes of Irish and violet, which crackle in the formula added to the smoking alloy. It means guys that it's a woody scent, but it's something sweet. Yeah. This woody scent guys giving this perfume its signature and addictive comforting scent. This product promises its freshness 12 months after your first spray. But for ano guys, just take note guys that all perfumes shelves lives, its defense and storage condition. That's why guys you need to make sure to store this perfume in a fridge for maximum shelf life, or avoid it from storing from heat or light. Because guys, you know that perfume, when you store perfume properly, the authenticity of this product will remain for its original. What I love this in this perfume guys, that it's really amazing. So guys, for now that's all, and thanks for watching.